Garmin Connect Send Course to Device. First, pair your device with Garmin Connect mobile app. Set this device as your preferred activity tracker. Garmin Connect website and Garmin Express. Please use a compatible cable to connect to the computer and your device. Open Garmin Express. Connect your device to Garmin Express. Open Garmin Connect website. You may send a course to device from the category of activities and courses. Activities. Select the type of activities. Select the activity that you want to send. Select the gear icon from the right corner. Select Send to Device. Select Device. Select Send Now. Open Garmin Express. Wait for syncing. Activity course has been sent to the device. Courses. To send the course, you may either select the course you created or nearby you. Select Send to Device. Select Device. Select Send Now. Open Garmin Express. Wait for syncing. The course has been sent to the device. Garmin Connect mobile app. Ensure that the device is paired with Connect. Select the three horizontal lines from the left corner. Select Training, Courses. You may either select the course that is created by you or other courses. Select the course you want to send. Select the icon from the right corner. Select Device. The course has been sent to the device.